Hey, it's Anissa. I hope you're enjoying our best-selling Sensation Waterless Aroma Diffuser. This is the unit that delivers that 5-star luxury fragrance in any room. Well, I have good news for those of you who've been asking. Is there anything bigger? Yes, we have this unit. Now, this is used in offices, businesses, and spas to deliver that amazing aroma throughout the whole building. Well, now you can bring it home and it will do that same thing throughout your whole house. Now, you can set it up, turn it on in any room you want, but it's actually made to install into your HVAC unit. But don't worry, it's really easy to set up. I hooked it up myself. Now they give you this flush mount connector. So you drill a hole into your HVAC output ductwork. Then you put the connector into that. Now we found it's actually easier to attach the hose to the connector before placing it. Now I found it easier not to use the connector. I simply fed the hose through the drilled hole. But whichever way you install it, it's really important that you don't have any loops or kinks in the hose. And you can cut the hose to fit. Now, if you're going to use my method, it is important that you don't have the hose feeding down into the hole. I added duct tape around the hole so it actually held the hose in place and pointed it upwards. You take the other end of the hose and insert it into the top. Then take the power cord and plug it in. Now you can place this on the floor, a shelf, or it does come with mounting hardware and a bracket for mounting it on a wall. Let's add the fragrance. Now it comes with these 2 magnet key locks. Simply place it over the unlock key logo. Then you can lift the reservoir out. This is where you add your fragrance. But here's a tip. Don't fill it up all the way because this gives you the flexibility of changing your scents out. Now let's program the unit. On the touch panel, you can control the concentration and the time. There's a timer that allows you to run it from 4 hours all the way up to 24 hours. Now for a more customized schedule, there's an app. And I love this app because you can set it to run certain days and time and of course the concentration. You are going to love this unit. Not only is it going to make your house smell amazing, you're going to love the high quality of this. It's made of metal, sleekly designed. Now others on the market are twice as expensive and made of plastic. The other thing, this unit is going to save you money because it allows you to buy bigger bottles of fragrances. And bigger bottles mean bigger savings. Now we have a tremendous price on this, so head on over to our site, learn more, and grab one for your home today.